Hello, today I'd like to show you a video about how to use a probability concept project on Scratch. Let's check it out. To start the program, the green flag in the corner of the display can be clicked. Then, the character will say something, indicate that the program has been started. If you want to stop the program, click the red button besides the green flag button, and the program will immediately stop. Now, if we take a look at the program, the character says something, and then she would ask to us, "Are you ready?" We have known that it is a yes or no question, so we should answer it with yes I am or no I'm not. But we just type yes if we are ready, and no if we haven't ready yet. If we type no to the question, then the program will automatically stop. Why? Because the program will think that we are not ready to go, and they cannot do anything to it. If we type yes, we can see that the program will continue. Now we move to the Great Hall in Hogwarts School. The character still explains about the probability concept to us while we are in the Great Hall. We can just read the text until the character asks again. As you can see, the character will ask, "What is the possibility result of this choosing house activity?" We should type the right answer so that we can continue. If we type the wrong answer, the character will ask again the same questions until we get the right answer. Now, how can we get the right answer? Let's turn back the program. The character says, "Now, would you like to tell me properly and orderly, precisely like what I said before?" It means that we should pay attention on what she is talking. When we turn back the program, we will find that the character says they are Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, Slytherin, and Hufflepuff. So, the right answer is Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, Slytherin, and Hufflepuff. If you don't remember how to write it, just look at the background picture and you will get the right answer. If we type the right answer, the character will continue to explain the material. We just should to keep reading the material until the next questions appear. Like the previous question, if we type the wrong answer, the character will ask again until we get the right answer. After we get the right answer, the character will continue explaining about probability concept. As you can see, the character will ask, "What could you conclude?" In this question, we don't need to type our answer, we just shout it out. After a few seconds, the character will continue speaking. The character will end the program with a statement, "Let the feast begin." Right after the character says it, the program will be finished. Okay, that's all for a video about how to use a probability concept project on Scratch. Thank you and see you!